This is day 0 of a 5-day project. I'm building a sales system from scratch, and I'm going to show you how. Why? Well, for a long time, I got clients by posting online and from people telling their friends about me. Now I want to try something new, reaching out to companies directly and telling them about my automation services. At first, I tried messaging people on LinkedIn by hand and didn't work well for growing fast. I didn't want to pay another company to get leads for me either. And yeah, I know there are tools already out there that could help, but I want to build my own. One where I owned a list of leads, I could manage the data the way I like, and keep track of everything by myself alongside Claude. So if you want to build something like this, follow me for the next 5 days and I'll show you everything step by step. By the end of it, we'll send our first outreach message to 500 people. Day 1 is all about finding quality leads. Day 2 is about taking those leads and finding as much data as we can about that lead. Once we have all of the information and background of this person, then we can now create hyper-personalized emails. Now, when we send out these emails, not all of them will land in their inbox. Some will land in spam or junk. So we need to ensure that we have the best deliverability for it. And in day 5, we'll be sending out these emails once we know the basics, and we'll look at how to reply to them as well as some of the follow-ups. Now, while we go through this course, you'll need a guide to explain what we are doing and why we are doing it. That's why I created the Sales OS Blueprint, which you can get here for free in our Corporate Automation Hub Skool community. You can find the link down below, which will take you to this page. Click on Classroom and the free YouTube resources. And under Sales System, you'll find Sales Automation Blueprint, which you can download for free. So in this blueprint, you'll find everything that you need in order to understand what's going on, why we're doing it, and how everything falls into place. Also, if you choose not to follow along with me and just want the final system, you can scan this QR code, which will take you to our corporate automation operating system. And under Classroom, you'll find it all here in Sales OS. We also have other operating systems for other departments like Marketing OS, creating content, improving productivity, admin automation, and more. And if all of this doesn't make sense and if you are new to automation, you're more than welcome to join our 7-day business automation challenge for free, where we take you from chatting with AI to building real systems that can automate up to 80% of business processes. Alright, so day 1, finding leads. The main thing that we need to start off with, and I know a lot of people tell you to do this, and I know why, because if you don't target your ideal customer profile, you'll be sending emails to people who don't really need or want your service. Then we're going to use our ICP to find the right buyers. So we rather have 500 right buyers rather than 50,000 wrong buyers or leads. Then we're going to turn that into a search filter, into a clean database. And now when searching for these leads, sometimes one lead appears more than once, which means that we have to clean our database so that we only have unique leads. Otherwise, we're going to end up messaging the same person twice. The whole goal is to stop paying to email people who are never going to buy. Day 2 is about enrichment and validation. I'm going to show you how to hyper-personalize each lead. We're going to cut your bounce rate to under 1% and go from name and email to great hyper-personalization with a real reason to reply. Now, you can go as hyper-personalized as you want because AI and the internet has a lot of information on people in general. We can scrape a lot of background on a person, which can sort of border on creepy, but we're going to get to a point where we know enough that the person feels like it's magic that we already know about them. I'm going to send an email in which, instead of saying, hey, we offer automation services, do you need it? To, hey, I see you struggling with data entry. Did you know that businesses that do these sort of admin tasks can cut down their time from 5 hours down to 10 minutes? If so, we can do a free demo for you, and you only pay if you like it. Can you see the difference? Obviously, this is a very rough example, but we will get into better templates at a later stage. And then we're going to score every lead against your ideal client profile before you waste a send. Day 3 is message generation, where we create hyper-personalized emails, like the example I gave you. We're going to write one email that goes through one person. So if you make one message for many people, the level of personalization goes out the window. So these are simple things like, hey, first name, which is a placeholder for their name, which gets automatically generated, rather than saying, hey, you want to make sure that that person understands that you did the homework about them and you understand their pain points. We're going to go through examples of bad email copy versus good email copy. And that means we're going to go through the 7 principles of trust and influence that make up good email copy. We're going to put it into Claude that can help us to generate some of this great copy. And basically, the goal is to kill the I hope this will find you forever kind of email. Day 4, we're going to look at the comparison of doing it yourself in terms of infrastructure and deliverability. Because when you deliver emails, some emails will land in junk or spam, whereas some will land in inbox. We want to make sure that we land in the inbox. And we could do this ourselves, which could be a lot of work, versus using third-party services that already have the capabilities for that. We're going to look at how to set up domains and mailboxes that actually land in the inbox, and then choose whether you want to do LinkedIn versus email outbound. Before we start sending emails, we need to warm up our inbox for 14 days. If you don't do this, Google will automatically flag it as spam. So this is a crucial step if you don't already own a warmed up domain. On day 4, I'm going to explain exactly what it means to warm up an email domain. Day 5 is all about sending replies and follow-ups. We're going to show how to launch your first campaign that runs without you even touching it. You're going to turn replies into booked meetings automatically and see the real cost and impact of your campaigns. We're going to connect it to Claude to watch our analytics. Obviously, at the start, you don't want Claude to manage this automatically for you because if it messes up, you could lose the lead. So that's why we have a semi-autonomous process where Claude gives you some ideas for replies and you can choose which works best for you and your company, your product and service, so that you can start building up some intuition yourself on how to close the leads. The more leads you get, the better it is, and the more reps you put in, the better your intuition becomes, and then you can close your leads much better. So who is Sales Operating System for? Well, this is for people who want to automate their lead generation pipeline for cold outreach, people who want to learn the lead generation process from scratch, from my beginner perspective rather than from someone who's already been in cold outreach for a long time. And when they talk to you, they explain it from a way high level that, that they only understand rather than from a beginner's perspective. And you already have a working offer, you just want it automated. And this is not for people who need clients this week, because like I said, you need 14 days to warm up your emails. You need to learn the process and you must be willing to do the work. Obviously, if you don't want to put in the work and you just want the automation system, that is what our corporate automation operating system is for, where you can just take what we've built and download it and use it. So you're probably asking, why should you consider me over all of these cold outreach gurus? So while I might not understand cold outreach fully right now as yet, I do understand automation, where we understand the problem and build solutions for it. And I've done this for the past 11 years for various different companies, where we take processes that cost weeks down to days, and in some cases from days down to minutes. And these are some of the other companies that we've worked with. So what I'm trying to tell you is that we understand automation and we're going to approach cold outreach from a automation perspective. We're going to take the problem, break it down into baby steps and see what can be automated and what can't, and then build out these automated processes. So if you're ready for day 1 in order to find leads, you can watch this video right up here.